here. Solve the following equations in the F question, that is 5 by 2 into x. 5 divided by 2 into x is equal to 25 by 4. 25 divided by 4. So now see the question. In the left hand side is 5 by 2 into x. That means this x is multiplied to the numerator. Numerator is 5. So 5 into x, that is 5x divided by 2. 5x divided by 2 is equal to 25 by 4. 25 divided by 4. Now see, in the left hand side it is 5x. Left hand side is 5x divided by 2, and in the right hand side it is 25 by 4. Okay. So now how to simplify? See here, this 2 is in the denominator. 2 is in the denominator. So how to remove this denominator? So we have to do, say 5x will be in the same place. This you have to multiply to the right hand side. Clear? This 2 is multiplied to the right hand side because it is divided. So 25 by 4 into 25 by 4 into 2. This 2 is multiplied. Correct? So we get 25 divided by 4 into 2. So in the left hand side we get 5x. 5x is equal to 5x is equal to 25 into 2. So always you must multiply this number to the numerator. Okay. So if you multiply like this, the what is the denominator of 2? There is no denominator. So what we have to write? There is no denominator. Then you have to consider there is a denominator, that is a 1. Clear? So here there is no denominator for 2, right? So we have to consider, we have to write 2 by 1. So now what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Clear? So actually this 2 is multiplied, right? So we will get like this, 25 by 4 into 2. That means this 2 is multiplying to the numerator. Clear? Then you will consider there is no denominator, right? So you can write extra 1 in the denominator. Okay? So now what we will get? 25 and 2 is in the numerator. So we will get 25 by 25 into 2, and in the denominator we will get 4 and 1. Right? So this can be written as a 4 into 1. Okay? So now in the numerator we will get 25 into 2, and in the denominator we will get a 4 into 1. So in the left hand side it is 5x. 5x is equal to 25 into 2 and 4 into 1. So now how to find the value of x? So 5x is equal to 25 to the 25 into 2, that is a 50. Correct? 25 to the 50. Multiply like this. 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. So 1 remaining, right? Divide here. So 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 25 to the 50, and in the denominator it is 4 1s are 4. Clear? So now see here, 50 by 4. 50 by 4. See, you can simplify also. You can simplify like this. 2 and 4 will divide. Right? We can divide or we can multiply, then you can divide. Clear? So here 25 into 2, and in the denominator it is 4 into 1. So we can divide directly like this. 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are 2, and 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. Okay. So what is the value in the numerator? 25. Now what is the value in the denominator? That is the 2. Clear? So 25 by 2 is the answer. Or you can multiply, then you can divide. Like 50 by 4. So 50 and 4 is divided by 2 table, right? Why? Because 50 in the last digit is 0. So that is a 2 divides, right? So now we can divide both numerator and denominator. Both also even numbers, so 2 divides, right? So divide 2, how much the 4? 2 2s are 4. Clear? 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 how much are 50? 2 how much are 50? 2 2s are 4. Correct? 2 2s are 4. And in 5, 1 remaining. So we must add here. We get 10. Clear? This will become 10. So you know 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. Clear? So So 2 how much are 50? 2 2s are 4 and 1 remaining, right? That you must write here. So it will becomes 10. So 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. Okay? 2 2s are 4 and 2 how much are 50? 2 25s are 50. Clear? So 2 25s are 50. So here we can simplify, then we can write the answer. Directly we can write the answer. Or you can first multiply, then you can divide. Okay? Here we multiply, then we are dividing this sum. See, 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are 50. Okay, now what is remaining in the left hand side? The left hand side value is here 5x. So 5x is equal to 25 divided by 2. In the numerator it is 25 and in the denominator is here 2. So we will get 5x is equal to 25 divided by 2. Clear? 25 by 2. So now how to find the value of x? So 5x is equal to 25 by 2. We want to know the value of x. So x is equal to 25 by 2. 25 divided by 2. Then here 5 is multiplied to the variable. 5 is multiplied, so it will divide the right hand side. Here it will divide the right hand side. See here 25 by 2 and write x is equal to 25 by 2 will be in the same place. So this 5 divides the right hand side. Whole divided by. So you must write like this, whole divided by 5. 5. Clear? So what is the denominator of 5? X is equal to 25 by 2. 25 by 2 whole divided by 5. That we can write 5 by 1. So what is the denominator of 5? Here what is the denominator? Here it is 25 by 2. Then here 5 divided by 1. There is no denominator, but you can write 1 in the denominator. Okay? So 5 by 1. So now see this division will change into multiplication. Clear? This you can write inverse of this. Means 25 by 2 divided by 5 by 1. You know how to write this? 25 by 2 divided by 5 by 1 can be written as 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. Correct? Division will change into multiplication. That means we are writing inverse of this. Clear? Inverse of 5 by 1 it is a 1 by 5. Clear? So now 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. So right here 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. Then you have to multiply this because you want to know the value of x. So finally the x will remain in the left hand side. Clear? That value we want to find. So now right here x is equal to multiply numerator into numerator, and similarly you have to multiply denominator into denominator. So 25 into 1, that is a 25. Here 25 ones are 25 and in the denominator it is 2 and here it is 5. So 2 5s are 10. See here directly you can divide like this, 5 ones are and 5 5s are. Okay? Now multiply, then you can divide. So here we got in the numerator it is 25 and in the denominator is a 10. So you know, is it 10 divides 25? No, 10 does not divide 25, but 5 table divides both numerator and denominator, isn't it? So 5 divides 25 and 5 also divides the 10. So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5 table. Here, so now x is equal to 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are 10. 5 how much are 25? 5 5s are 25. Correct? So now remaining value is 5 divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to 5 by 2. So that is the value of x. So from where we start? So let's see here. This is the solution to this equation. Which equation? 5 by 2 into x is equal to 25 by 4. So first what we have to do? See the denominator it is 2. This 2 is multiplying to the right hand side. Clear? So we will get 25 by 4 into 2 by 1. So this is extra we are writing. Actually that is 2, but there is no denominator. So you can write 1 in the denominator. That is only for the calculation. Clear? No need of writing this, but for multiplication it will find easy. See? If you multiply like this, 25 twos are and 4 into 1 you can write. Clear? So now this 25 twos are will become 50. Correct? 25 twos are 50, and in the denominator we get 4 ones are 4. So 5x is equal to 25 divided by 2. So 5x is equal to 25 by 2 and x is equal to 25 by 2 whole divided by 5. Here it is multiplied, so we divide the right hand side. So we get 25 by 2 into this 5 is a denominator, that you can write 5 by 1. Clear? Then we can write 5 by 1. So if you take inverse of this will go to numerator. So what happens? Denominator we write first, right? So this 5 by 1 will change into 1 by 5. Clear? So this 4 divided will change into multiplication. This division will change into multiplication. So 5 by 1 can be written as a 1 by 5. Clear? This will become 1 by 5. So next step, that is a multiplication. You know, in the numerator it is 25, here is 1, and in the denominator is 2 and 5. So direct multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Clear? So if you multiply, you will get 25 ones are 25 and 2 5s are 10. Okay? Now we can simplify 25 and 10 by 5 12. Isn't it? So 5 divides both numerator and denominator. So 5 how much are 25? 5 5s are 25 and 5 how much are 10? 5 2s are 10. Correct? So therefore x is equal to, in the numerator see remaining value is 5 and in the denominator is remaining 2. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Can you simplify again 5 by 2? No. So the answer will remain fraction, that is 5 by 2 is the solution to this equation. Clear? Okay. Second question, see here 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. So how to find the value of m? Clear? So 7m, m is a variable, correct? M is a variable and 13 is a constant. Even 19 by 2 is also constant. So now, 7m will be in the same place. So 7m is equal to 13. So this plus 19 by 2 will go to right hand side. So plus 19 by will change into minus 19 by 2. Here plus sign will change into minus. So plus 19 by 2 will change into 19 by 2. So what happens? See, 7m is equal to 13. There is no denominator to 13, right? So what we have to write? So there is a denominator, that is 1. So that means 13 by 1 means that is 13, right? 1 divides all the numbers. So we can write 13 divided by 1. So 13 by 1 minus 19 by 2. Now see the numerator, see the denominator. Denominator is here 1 and here denominator is 2. Is it same? Denominators are not same. Then if denominators are not same, then we cannot do the calculation. We cannot add or subtract the numerator. Correct? Can you subtract the numerator if denominator is different? No. We cannot add or subtract the numerator if denominator is different. So first we have to make denominator same. Clear? So how to make denominator same? See, in the left hand side it is 7m. So if 7m is equal to, so we have to make the same denominator, right? Maybe you have to take LCM, or you can do like this denominator means here too we have to multiply to both numerator and denominator. Clear? So these two we have to multiply both numerator and denominator, and this 1 is there now, here you must multiply 1 into 1. Clear? This denominator multiply here and this denominator multiply here. So what happens if you multiply like this? We get, see the denominator, 1 into 2. What is 1 into 2? 1 2s are 2. Correct? So in the denominator here, 2 into 1. 2 into 1 also 2. Correct? Here 1 2s are 2 and here 2 1s also 2. So we get same denominator. So if you multiply like this, what happens? We get a same denominator. So then we can add or subtract the numerator. Okay? So now see the numerator, 13 into 2. What is 13 2s are? 13 2s are 26. Correct? 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So that means 26 divided by, now you have multiply the denominator also. So you will get 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2 minus, so in between these two numbers there is a sign, that is a minus. Clear? So minus 19 1s are 19 and in the denominator 2 into 1. So what is 2 into 1? 2. So now see the denominator. Denominators are same. So now we can write this as 26 minus 19 divided by 2. So now we have to write the denominator one time. Clear? So 2 and 2 both same denominator. So write one time. So now what happens? We get numerator is. Now we can calculate, right? So plus 26 and minus 19. Plus 26 minus 19. See the sign. Sign is here plus and here sign is a minus. That means different sign. So we know different sign means subtraction. Correct? So 26 minus 19. 26 minus 19 will get a 7. So which is a greater number? That is 26. That sign is a plus. So plus 7 by 2. Plus 7 divided by the denominator is a 2. So 7 by 2. In the left hand side, the variable is a 7m. So 7m is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2. But in the left hand side, only variable should be remaining, right? So here 7 is multiplied to the variable. So we have to remove this 7. So what happens? 7 is multiplied. So it will divide the right hand side. So in the next step, it will divide the right hand side, right? So m is equal to, we want to find the value of y. We want to know the value of y. So y, so not y, m. So we want to know the value of m. So m is equal to, right, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. This is multiplied, right? So what happens? Whole divided by 7 by 2. Whole divided by 7. Whole divided by 7. This is multiplied. So it will divide the right hand side. Clear? So 7 by 2 whole divided by 7. So now m is equal to, so right, m is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2. This whole divided by 7 can be written as a 7 by 1. So 7 is denominator, you can write 1. So in the next step, this 7 by 1 will change into 1 by 7. Means there is inverse of this. So division will change into multiplication. Division is changed into multiplication. Then this number 7 by 1 can be written as a 1 by 7. Okay, 7 by 1 we can write a 1 by 7. Means this division is changed to multiplication. Okay. So now m is equal to multiply the numerator. So 7 into 1. 7 into 1. 7. Or you can do like this. You can cancel this term. Instead of multiply, you can simplify this. Say like this. 7 ones is 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones is 7. 7 ones are 7. So what is remaining in the numerator? 1 is in the numerator. Correct? So what is remaining? If you simplify, you will get 7 ones are 7. Here also 7 ones are 7. So in the numerator we get 1 into 1. So what is remaining in the numerator? That is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. and in the denominator 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, that is a 2. So the value of m is 1 by 2. M is equal to 1 by 2 is solution to this equation. Clear? So first what we have to do? See, consider the equation. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Clear? So now 19 by 2 will go to another side, right hand side. So plus will change into minus. So we get 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. 19 by 2. So see the denominator 13. 13 by 1. So what is the denominator? This is 1. So here denominator is 2. It is not same. Correct? Denominators are not same. We have to make same denominator. So we have to multiply this 2 to both numerator and denominator. And this one we have to multiply to both numerator and denominator. So we get 7m is equal to 26 by 2 minus 19 by 2. So if you subtract 26 minus 19, we get 7. So 7 by 2. 7m is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, m is equal to 7 by 2 whole divided by 7. So that 7 can be written as 7 by 1. 7 denominator is 1. So if you write, the next step you get m is equal to 7 by 2 will be the same place. This division can change into multiplication. Clear? This division is changed into multiplication. So 7 by 1, that is it becomes 1 by 7. This can be written as 1 by 7. So now we can simplify, we can divide this directly. See, 7 in the denominator, 7 in the numerator and 7 also in the denominator, right? So we can simplify like this. 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. So what is in the numerator? What is remaining in the numerator? That is 1 into 1. So 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1 and 2 ones are 2. So therefore m is equal to 1 by 2. Solution to this equation. Clear? Yes. Thank you.